Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by sizing and activating the ore. Crush bauxite to 1-2 mm so sodium hydroxide penetrates. This increases extraction rate and reduces energy per ton. Make a slurry with heated water, then carefully add NaOH. Aim for about 1:0 5 kg NaOH per kg bauxite because concentration controls solubility of aluminum species. Use a sealed, pressure-capable digester at 150-200 degrees C so the Bayer reaction proceeds efficiently. Monitor agitation and temperature as you ramp up. Once digestion completes, you separate solids and liquor. Maintain pressure and temperature for the specified 1-3-hour digest to dissolve alumina as sodium aluminate. This step drives the chemistry, so control pH and temperature. Immediately hot filter to remove red mud. Do not let it cool or solids will cake. Then cool the clear liquor to roughly 50-70 degrees C and seed it with aluminum hydroxide crystals. The reduction in solubility precipitates Al(O)3 from solution, and you collect it by filtration. You now convert precipitate to metal. Dry and calcine aluminum hydroxide at about 900-1100 degrees C to produce alumina. This removes water and readies the oxide for electrolysis. In the Hall-Héroult cell, dissolve Al2O3 in molten cryolite, maintain 951,000 degrees C, and run large current so aluminum ions reduce at the cathode. Collect molten aluminum. Finally, recover NaOH from spent liquor for reuse and treat red mud. Troubleshooting tip: if low current efficiency appears, check electrolyte composition and temperature first.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.